Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming Blender 3.x and installing Blender GIS or an OSM add-on. This gives geographic import tools. Next, obtain the map tiles or high-res screenshots for your target lat/lawn area so you have imagery to project. Once that's ready, open Blender, create a new scene, and set units and scale to match real-world meters. This avoids later rescaling. Make sure to enable the add-on preferences and the geo-reference panel before proceeding so import options are available. Once done, import vector data, roads, buildings, via the add-on so geometry follows real coordinates. This creates editable meshes. Then load your raster imagery as an image texture and assign it to a plane or terrain mesh. Use UV project or project from view to align. Make sure to set the correct CRS/coordinate origin so geodata lines up. If things shift, apply object transforms and recalculate normals. Finally, convert imported curves to meshes and clean topology to prepare for texturing. To finish, create materials and bake the map imagery into textures. Use displacement maps from DEMs to add realistic elevation where available. Then optimize the scene by decimating dense meshes and combining static objects so Blender performs smoothly. Once done, set render camera and lighting for final output. If alignment or seams occur, reproject your rasters to the same CRS, verify zoom/tiles match, or re-import tiles at a consistent zoom level. This single troubleshooting step fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.